Hello, hello. If you're a Java developer, you're going to love this. If you're not a Java developer, don't worry. We plan to add support for other languages as soon as we finish Starfield. So, what is it? It's the fastest and easiest way to run a Java app in the cloud, we think. However, before we show you this awesome sauce, let's take a quick look at our sample Java app, Books and Beer. It uses Quarkus, but before you go all fanboy on us, we like Spring Boot too, and Micronaut is on our radar. We have a brewery entity with name and state, a beer entity with name, style, and brewery, a REST service with an endpoint to list all beers, and a SQL script to import sample data when the app is started. Of course, this isn't random data. Isaac Asimov's Foundation series, Peter Hamilton's The Void trilogy, and Alistair Reynolds' Revolution Space series are must-reads for sci-fi fans. And The Alchemist, The Brewery, and Trillium, they're among the best breweries in the world. So, I recommend you A, finish watching this video, B, try it out yourself, C, find your nearest Barnes & Noble and purchase these books, and D, rush to your nearest bottle shop and ask for help finding these beers. You can thank us later. In our Quarkus configuration, we've defined a Postgres data source, and the package type is set to uberjar. Now, let's launch our app. Pretty fast, right? Let's see if it works. Look at that. Our prayers to the demo gods did not go unheard. We might as well try connecting to the database from pgadmin while we're at it. There's our tables. And there's our sample beer data. This is great for live demos, but what about remote development? All we have to do is make a few small configuration changes. We need to set the package type to mutable jar. We need a couple of live reload properties. It takes about 30 seconds to build, so we'll just sit here in silence. And finally, we need to create an archive of the target/Quarkus app folder. Now we can launch our app. So fast. We should make sure it works though. Perfect. What if we wanted a list of IPAs? 404. There's no endpoint yet. Let's create it. First, we need to create a run configuration for Quarkus Remote Dev. We'll set the live reload URL to our app URL. Next, we'll run our app in remote dev mode. It takes about 30 seconds to connect. Commence uncomfortable silence. Okay, it's connected. Now we can add our IPA's endpoint. Wait a few seconds for the app to sync. And here's our list of IPAs. You know what? We prefer stouts. Let's create another endpoint. That's a rather short list of stouts. We need to get an intern. By the way, if all you need is a database in the cloud, we have you covered. Try it out and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's nothing better than a great sci-fi book and a barrel-aged stout. Cheers.